In this last video of this series, we are going to climb on the wall or roof from ledge grab. So here, let's set up the animation. Transition this animation to idle animation you are using, and also do the same setting as me if you are using Mixamo's animation. Now let's create a new script. In script, first add our player climb script because we have to check if our player is climbing. Now let's cast the ray. But we are not going to use this ray when it hits. We are going to use this ray if it does not hit any ground, wall, or ledge. If it is not hitting anything, we are going to cast another ray in down direction. For down ray's position, we are going to use forward ray. We cast in shimmy controller script. And I'm making another layer mask for this ray. Now copy the target matching code from player climb and paste in this script and change the animation name to what we are using to climb. And for avatar target, we are going to use player's right foot. Now, go to Unity and add the script to the player, and in Layer choose Ground and Ledge, both layer. Here it is, not casting the down ray to fix it. head back to Unity and in Void, Start, we are going to write get component shimmy controller. Here it is, casting the down ray. Also, you can adjust the height of the ray where it cannot detect anything if player is on the last ledge. Now let's create a bool to check if our player found the wall or roof. It will climb, now add roof ledge to climb script in player climb script. And we are going to restrict the drop ledge function if our player found the wall or roof to climb. Now, save and go back to Unity and check if it is working. So now if we are trying to climb, player goes to a different position to fix it, let me show a trick. Head back to Visual Studio and create a game object variable for climb position and instantiate when player pressing the button. Now head back to Unity and create a game object and make a prefab out of it. Now, if we play, it is working correctly. So this is it for this series. Hope you learned and enjoy it. I will see you guys in next series. Thank you for watching the videos.